Okay, so this is a camellia that we've had in this pot for a few years now. It only started as a small cutting and it's probably 4 to 5 times bigger than it was when we planted it in here, and it didn't flower this year. Now there might be, well, it didn't flower very much this year. There might be other reasons for us, but we wanted to see whether one of the reasons is it's outgrown the pot. So we have already taken it out, but if I lift it out now, you'll see that we've got a significant amount of roots here. I'm just going to give them a bit of a rub to tease them out, otherwise no matter what I plant it into, they will just keep going round and round and round. So I'll just keep turning this part of the plant around and just try to tease out some of the roots, so that with a bit of luck, once we plant it in its new pot, it will start to grow on a bit. I'm trying to be gentle up to a point, but unless I get them out of this circular thing, there might not be much point doing this. So this is the new pot. We've already put some leaf mould in the bottom, and because it's a camellia, what we're going to do is we're going to fill up the pot now with ericaceous compost. We tried to find a pot that wasn't too big, wasn't too much bigger than the one it's already been in. Generally speaking, I don't like to put plants into pots which are way bigger than what they've already been in. And in a perfect world, I'd try to find a pot that was a little bit smaller than this, but we got this pot for nothing, whereas the pots which were a bit smaller than this but bigger than this one were about £50 each.